So we will have to demand for a change in leadership. Hopefully the president resigns.
I love my own. ikaw lang nag-iisip ng ganyan. Well, so many others, siguro maybe one or two of your devout blind follower are thinking of that. But the entire majority of the Filipinos are thinking and demanding that you show something. Wala ka pa nga napakita. Binibida mo na for all you know, yung sinasabi mo, pledges lang yun.
Pangako na
Puro pledges, pangako na hindi na nga
sigurado na
hindi sigurado. Tapos sasabihin mo, magsisinungaling ka na naman sa Pilipinas. Ito.
Tsaka
Ito, pakinggan natin.
Sa gitna ng mga isyu ng korupsyon at manumalyang flood control projects, marami ng investor ang nagdesisyong umatras sa Pilipinas. Ayon kay Cora Guidote, dating head ng Investors Relation Office ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, patuloy na lumiliit ang tiwala ng mga negosyante dahil sa laganap na korupsyon sa pamahalaan.
Marami na nag-pull out. Actually, kasi nga, kumababa ang business confidence. At saka, corruption scares away investors. Bakit? Kasi it increases the cost of business. Siyempre, manghihingi ng lagay yung mga people that they deal with in government. If I'm an investor, asan ang ROI ko? Asan ang return on investment ko? Wala, di ba? So I would rather invest in other countries where I can make more money and it will be easier for me to do business in those countries.
Ayon kay Guidote, sa nakalipas na 3 taon, nagnegatibo ang net foreign direct investment sa bansa. Ibig sabihin, mas maraming kapital ang lumalabas kaysa pumapasok.
Pag walang masyadong nag-invest, wala rin masyadong trabaho. So pag walang trabaho yung mga tao, there's a higher incidence of poverty.
Dagdag pa niya, hindi lang sa mga flood control project at Department of Public Works and Highways umiikot ang issue ng korupsyon, kundi laganap din aniya ito sa iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno.
As long as those other departments are not being checked, then the plunder will continue. Because greed is already systemic in the system.
Nang tanungin kung paano muling maibabalik ang tiwala ng mga investor, ito ang tugon ni Guidote.
The government has to be accountable. And who has to be accountable? Those that approve the General Appropriations Act. So if they cannot address that, then you need a change in leadership. Kung hindi nila kayang maging accountable themselves. And I think that's almost an impossible demand for them to do because they want to stay in power. So we will have to demand for a change in leadership. Hopefully the president resigns.